Okay guys, this is a Hyundai Sonata 2014. As you can see right here, the hood won't close. I've been having some problems, but I show you how to fix this problem right here. You see right here? You can press as much as you can. It won't work. Okay, I'll show you how to fix this problem right here real quick. Okay, we are gonna see what's the problem right here. Okay, as you can see right here, this thing right here and this thing right here, we need to push them. We need to push this one to the front. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and push all these ones to the front, all the way to the front right here. Yeah, all the way to the front. And this one too right here. As you can see, this one and this one gotta be pushed to the front as much as we can in order for this thing to stop not working. Yeah, a little bit more to the front. Okay, we're gonna give it a try and see if, yeah, I'm pushing. As you can see right here, I pushed it a little bit to the front. Okay, let's see how it does. I'm gonna close it and see how it works. Okay, right here, it should close real good. Okay, you see right here, it's good. Now I'm gonna open it. Okay, I'm gonna do it real slowly like this. You see right here, no problem. It's working. It worked. Okay, thanks for watching. Now all you gotta do is just do what I did. Thank you.